I just went through this parking lot and counted 111 open parking spots. Not even the ones for the seniors that are painted, just these black ones with the numbers on them. 111 parking spots open. After I get down through this row, I'll be speeding up the video because it's gonna get monotonous because I'm doing this every single day. A quarter of your parking lot is damn near empty, and you're telling my daughter, nope, we don't have any passes to give out because they're all sold out. This is not save your spot. Additionally, this fence right there, I know you guys locked it, but nobody's enforcing that. I have on video kids jumping the fence, and there was at least 20 to 30 kids that had jumped the fence prior to me getting there. I was about to drop my daughter off on the other side. She said, Dad, it's locked. The gate's locked and they don't want us to go there. And I said, well, how come all those kids are going there? Well, they're jumping the fence. With book bags? Yep, with book bags. And she goes, I tried to do it one time and almost got hurt. I'm like, don't you dare do that. I'm like, if you get hurt on this school property, suing the hell out of the school for letting this crap happen, because nobody's enforcing your little... Why don't you have that gate open so the kids can get to frickin' school, man? Are you guys, I mean, it's like, why are you making it so difficult for these kids to get to school? Why is that a problem here? I can't even, I'm fuming. I'm fuming. This video is gonna get sped up because I can only send you 1 minute videos. You know what, as a matter of fact, I'm not gonna send you this one. I'm just, you know what, as a matter of fact, I'm gonna YouTube post this. I'm gonna YouTube post this and just post a link for everybody to see from here on out. This is what's gonna happen from now on. Every single day, Dad goes irate in Lake Brantley parking lot. You know how Dr. Phillips does it? All the students are allowed to get a parking pass and everybody parks wherever the heck they park. Seniors get first dibs on parking spots, and whatever's left over, they sell it to the juniors. And if the juniors can't find parking, I don't know what to say about it. They sell enough parking spaces that everybody gets to park there, because I've never seen the parking lot empty, and sometimes you're parking a little bit farther away, but hey, at least you got a parking spot, right? Now you're telling these kids they can't drive, they can't walk through that little area to have a cut through, and you're gonna just leave the gate locked and hope to God nobody gets freaking hurt. I swear to God, Lake Brantley, whoever the hell is running this shit show needs to be freaking, boy. Oof. And the dude wrote me, whatever, the principal wrote me back, said, oh, we're full, Mr. DeGregory. Those parking spots are taken for, Mr. DeGregory. Yep. Sorry, you know, we have other ways to transport your kids. You know, you can either walk at 6:30 in the morning when it's freaking cold, right? And dark half the time, half the year. Okay, so that's our tour there. So you feel me, how angry I am right now at this stupid school? It is not good to treat the children this way. I know you think you can bully them, push them around, and because nobody's taken up for them, and they just sit there and take it because you guys are holding the cards. But dude, this is not the way to go about it, all right?